MrMike. MrMike.
Mir Bayern sind wir super. Mir Bayern sind wir super. Mir Bayern sind wir super. Mir Bayern sind wir super.
Hello everybody, I am the Michi. I am original Bavarian. I'm born and raised in Bavaria, in the Chiemgau. And now, today, I will show you a meal from Bavaria, special from Bavaria, with a lot of flavors. You see, a Brotzeit. I show you something, and the important thing of everything is, we begin with the Brezen. A Brezen is not a Brezen, You need to check out where you can get the best Brezen, This is important, Not every Brezen got the same flavor like a Brezen. That's with everything here, okay? That's with the cheese, with the sausage, everything. And I will show you something you maybe not know from the good food in Bavaria, And now, here we go. Important is, I like especially the Brezen from Sumera. That's the best Brezen I will ever get in Bavaria. Unbelievable. That's the best Brezen. You can make it a little bit warm, and the flavor is... You need to check it out. Believe me, the best Brezen you can get. And the bread, the bread is the same with the bread. A bread is not a bread, It's different. You got a lot of different breads outside in Bavaria, in the world, and that one, a Bauernbrot, is unbelievable. And a Bauernbrot with a really good butter, a good butter. Simple. It's so simple, but it's so unbelievable good. That's so good. It's so good. A good Butterbrot. A good Butterbrot. Unbelievable. I can't tell you that simple flavor of greatness. Unbelievable. It's so good. This is so good. And that's the first thing what you can do. You take your bread, you take your good butter, and make a good Butterbrot. That's the Grundlage for everything, My English is not the best, so I can mix it with German, Bavarian, and English. I'm special. I can get 3 languages in once. German, Bavarian, and English. So it's a good mix. So now, you got a lot of good food here. You need to try it to check out it's a good thing for you or not, and that's the shit. Cheese, I got 1, 2, 3, 4 different flavors of cheese. I don't know the name of everything. I think this is an Emmentaler. I don't know. We let the cheese because of the cheese are different. You need to mix it. Unbelievable. So. And now we go here. That's here. Special. That's a special in Bavaria. That's a Obatzter. I don't know the word in English. You know the word in English for Obatzter? I don't think you get a word for English for Obatzter. What is it? What is it exactly? It's something like a cheese, paprika flavor and a mixed, I don't know. Everybody in Bavaria makes it a little bit different. So you get never the same flavor in Bavaria. Every Metzger, we say, who make it, or the Großmutter, everybody makes it a little bit different. So you never get the same flavor on every spot in Bavaria. And that's the same with the bread and the brezen and the butter and everything. Or the Kartoffelsalat. The Kartoffelsalat in Bavaria. This is a good one. We made it here with Essig. You can make it but with mayo and mayonnaise too. But I don't like the mayo. The mayonnaise is nothing for me. This is nothing for me, so I can't get the flavor. Essig is okay, but this is not the best Kartoffelsalat in Bavaria, but my grandma makes the best Kartoffelsalat in Bavaria. But yeah, you know, grandma, yeah, that's another story. So, Krautsalat, you know, everybody knows the German and the Bavarians for the Krauts, you know, that's a running gag for everybody, you know, I don't know the gag, but that's a good one, a good Krautsalat. Here get tomatoes, tomatoes, everybody get tomatoes, you know it. A Wurstsalat with onions, Zwiebeln, paprika, Essig too. It's the same. Everybody makes it different, so you get never the same flavor, you know. Here, that's interesting. So that is a Nudelsalat. You got Erbsen, Gurken, but that is made with mayonnaise. I don't like mayonnaise, but with the Nudelsalat, that is a good one. Yeah, this is a really good one, but you need to try it. You need to try it. Yeah. And that is for myself. I don't know, is this special for Brotzeit in Bavaria? I don't think so, but I like it to the Brotzeit. That's paprika with cheese inside, but not a hard cheese. It's a, yeah, I need to show you. Check it out. Got my Butterbrot. So, this is a good one. This is a really good one. I got here auch really important a Kasmesser, a knife for the cheese, you know, for the hard things, you know. Yeah. Okay, check it out. So you get the paprika, and you see you get here. This is not hot. This is like a cream, a cheese cream, something like that. But the flavor of that one. This is not spicy. Einfach gut. Einfach gut. Das ist dann echt so gut. A little bit spicy in the, im Nachhinein. Abgang. Oh, ein bisschen. But it's good. Really good. So, and what we got now? Hey, the Obatzter. This is a different story. I don't know. I'm not a big fan from the Obatzter. I get it special for the video here, and I don't know who got to eat it. Oh my god. Oh, this is a little bit. Oh, it's more spicy than I thought. Okay, so now we get to the sausage, you know, really important. The sausage, I eat that for over 40 years. Salami, the salami. And the salami, I don't know how many different flavors of salami you will get when you come to the Metzger. I think you got 50, 100 different flavors of salami. This is so crazy. This is so crazy. You get one with Prosecco, you get one with onions, you get one with honey, you get one with barbecue, you get everything. This is so crazy. The Metzger here in Bavaria, sometimes really, really crazy, but I like this. This is a house salami. I always take the house salami and the salami with honey. Something like sweet in it and delicious. Very good. And okay, the next one is the Schinkenwurst. This is something like Kalbswurst. Kalb, what is a Kalb? This is a baby cow, and something will know, hey, baby cow? You eat a baby cow? Okay, sorry for that, but the flavor is good. And you got a Schinken inside. You got Kalbswurst und Schinken together. Ne? Schinken. Ne, Schinken ist that here, der Schinken. Guter Bierschinken zum Beispiel. Ja, Schinkenwurst ist gleich Bierschinken. You got more words for that one, and this is something different, you know. So, yeah, I like it. Not my favorite, but I like it. It's really good. And special in Bavaria, when you come the first time to Bavaria, it is really important that you try something out. The salami, Schinkenwurst, yeah, okay. But one thing is really important. And that is der Leberkäse. Der Leberkäse. That's the Leberkäse. You will get it in warm with a Semmel, the Leberkäse-Semmel. When you go to the Metzger, the first time in Bavaria, you go to the Metzger and say, yeah, möchte Leberkäse-Semmel. Okay? With Senf, süßer oder scharfer, sweet Senf und spicy Senf. Was ist Senf? Weiß ich auch nicht. Einfach probieren, probier Bites aus und you can eat everything in one day. You need weeks, you need months, I don't know how many time you get here to eat everything. This is crazy. This is with the beer the same, you know? How many flavors we got beer in Bavaria? This is stupid. This is stupid, you know? So, and the next thing, what I got is the serrano Schinken. Ne? Der serrano Schinken. Der serrano Schinken. This is not special for the Bavarian Brotzeit, but the serrano Schinken. The serrano Schinken. This is different. This is really good. This is so delicious. This is really good. Serrano Schinken. Yeah. Keep it on mind. Really good food. And yeah, what can I tell more? That's my stuff for my Brotzeit. What I like to eat. Der Obatzter not really, but ja, es ist wieder, was ja nicht. So, I'm done. I hope I can get you some informations about the good food in Bavaria, but the important thing is when you come here, you need to try it. You need to try it and find out what is good for you and what not. Von what you can get Bauchweh und von was Dünnsches und ich weiß auch nicht. Das ist ein bisschen. Try it, but not too much at one time, because the Obatzter is a bit, you know, I don't know. So, thank you very much for watching. Give me a subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and yeah, thank you.
Yo, Mr. Mike. 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 Yo, Mr. Mike.